Tiny, tiny, tiny. What a nightmare. I was just able to get these apex seals in with these springs. Man, these are tough. They're so small. That is, in fact, a pair of tweezers. So I'm just going to throw this whole thing back together. Let's see if we can get it started. Oh, it definitely sounds better. Oh, I see some exhaust. Need some more fuel. All right. Nice and flooded, just like the rotaries like it. Ooh, it started up. Let me try it again, try to keep it running. I feel like I just got to start at full throttle. Whoa, that's hot. Holy cow.